Hi guys, how are you today? My name is Bailey Sarian. Woo! Today I'm going to do a tutorial using the Shayla and ColourPop collaboration. I personally have never tried ColourPop before, have I? I don't think I've ever tried ColourPop in any of my tutorials, so I'm very excited about this. So this is the Shayla Collection. It comes with an eyeshadow palette, these guys up here, loose highlighters, 3 lipsticks, and a lip gloss. This whole kit goes for $59, which is actually a really great value. I find that it's cheaper than a lot of other brands out there. Shadow palette is called Perception. Pretty. Then we have the palette. Palette alone goes for $23. Beautiful selection of color. A huge mirror. I'm a fan of big mirrors. I don't know what it is, but I need a good mirror in my life. So today I'm gonna be playing with this bad boy for sure. Then we have the Luster Dust Loose Highlights. This one is called Boomin'. So I swatched it on my finger. It's a gold highlight. And these go for $7. Holy crap, why have I not used ColourPop before? Where have I been? Then we have the other highlighter shade, which is called Pose, and it looks like it's a rose gold shade. Ooh, that one's pretty. I really like that gold. Ooh. Then we have the 3 different lip colors. These are lipsticks. You can buy them 3 as a set and they go for $21, or separately they go for $7. This is the shade Quickie. Ooh, I like a good nude. Who doesn't like a good nude? That's the shade Quickie. We have the shade Come On Sis. Then we have Ooh. I think that's how you pronounce it, right? Ooh. Which is that one right there. It almost looks like a coral. Oh, I like that. Ooh. The last item in this collection is called Ultra Glossy Lip, and this is the shade Neat Freak. It has like gold flecks in it. It reminds me of NARS Orgasm. And this is $7. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, ooh. So we are going to do a look with the eyeshadow palette. I already have my complexion and everything else on. I'm gonna try some lips too. Your girl needs some lips. So I primed my eyes already, and now I'm just going to go in with this palette. I think I want to use this shade right here and a fluffier crease brush. So this shade is called September, and I'm just placing it right back and forth in my crease. With my Smith 253 brush, it's like an all-over shadow brush, and the shade Spill the Tea. I'm placing this right on the center of my lid, coming up towards my crease. With the shade September again, I'm placing this on the edge of my lid, coming up towards my crease. And then right in the inner part of my lid, same thing, coming up towards my crease. So I'm just creating like a halo eye. Switching back to my crease brush, I'm just gonna blend and soften that shade. Okay, I have both eyes on, and now I think I want to add a smidge of this shade right here. It's called Shade. This is a smoky shadow brush by Smashbox. Put just a tiny bit right in like my inner tear duct and like my outer lid, just with the lightest touch. Switching back to September, and a small brush. This is gonna go along my lower lash line. With a fluffier crease brush or a blending brush, I'm just gonna come back and forth and really smooth and soften that edge. Then again with that color shade along my lash line. I'm going to put mascara on my top and bottom. I'm gonna put mascara on my top and bottom lashes, followed by a pair of eyelashes, and I'll be right back. But overall, I think it's a very cute look. Okay, so let's do the cheek highlight. So I think both of the highlights are made for medium to deeper complexion. On me, it might just look like a bronzer or a blush. So I'm actually gonna go back to this palette and use the shade Unbothered, and that's gonna be my cheek highlight shade. So I'm just dipping right into there. Ooh. I'm also taking that shade Unbothered and placing it right in the inner tear duct. I'm going to line my lips with the MAC lip liner in Strip Down. Once I have lined my lips, I'm going in with the lip called Quickie. Then I'm taking the Ultra Glossy Lip color, and this is Neat Freak. I drew my lips like extra big today. I don't know what happened. And this is the finished look. It's pretty easy, I would say. I know I didn't use every color in this palette, but I really wanted to do like a pink eye look today. I knew that for sure when I woke up that I wanted baby pink on my eyes. So I'm glad I got to accomplish that. Overall, I think the collection is very pretty. It's affordable. My first experience with their eyeshadows is that I really like them. They're very nice. This palette is super cute. I love the big mirror. I'm a big mirror fan. I hate when palettes don't have a mirror. That drives me nutso. But let me know what you think down below of the overall look. I hope you have a good day today. You make good choices. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good day. I think I said that already. Make good choices. Okay. Bye.